The Repsol Honda team have unveiled their 2018 livery during the squad's official presentation at the Jakarta International Expo in Indonesia, with riders Marquez and Dani Pedrosa on hand as the new bike was revealed. Reigning MotoGP TM World Champion Marquez and his teammate Pedrosa just completed a successful test in Thailand, where the number 26 topped the timesheets, before flying to Indonesia with team manager Alberto Bugan Kuwata, HRC's director, general manager Race Operations Management Division, for the presentation. "It's a real pleasure to once again be in Indonesia for our team launch because this is an important country for Honda and MotoGP," says Marquez. "We've been here in Jakarta on many occasions, so it already seems very familiar to me. There are a lot of fans who make us feel very welcome, and it's good to be able to reward their support by coming here and dedicating some time to them. We've already done 2 tests this winter, and they both went quite well. We'll also work hard in Qatar, in order to put it all together and be ready for the coming season. We want to fight at the front again this year, and to put on a good show for our fans here and around the world."